Are you struggling with Windows Update errors or other pesky PC problems? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to explore how you can resolve these issues using the command prompt. Windows Update errors can be frustrating, but luckily, there are powerful tools built right into your system that can help. We're talking about the command prompt, your go-to tool for troubleshooting and fixing various issues. Let's start with a common scenario: encountering errors during Windows updates. These errors can occur due to corrupted system files or other issues. We all know how frustrating it can be when our computers start acting up, right? Well, fear not. With these simple commands, you'll be fixing your PC like a pro in no time. Let's start with a powerful tool called DISM. Ever heard of it? No worries, we'll break it down. Open up command prompt. As an administrator, our first command is 1. DISM/online/cleanupimage/SCANHEALTH. This command is like giving your computer a thorough checkup. It scans your system for any hidden issues that might be lurking around. 2. DISM/online/cleanupimage/CHECKHEALTH. Think of this command as a quick health check for your PC. It assesses the overall well-being of your system and lets you know if everything is A-OK. 3. DISM/online/cleanupimage/RESTOREHEALTH. Imagine your computer as a superhero, and this command is its secret weapon. It restores corrupted or missing system files, bringing your PC back to its full potential. For ESFC/Scannow, this command is like calling in the cavalry. It scans your system for any integrity violations and fixes them on the spot, ensuring your PC stays in tip-top shape. And there you have it. For simple commands to help you troubleshoot and maintain your Windows PC like a pro. Remember, don't be afraid to give them a try next time your computer starts acting up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.